My next favorite Flodesk feature is the email template. So I'm going to show you here. So we're going to go to emails and then new. And they have all of these really amazing templates, which are so cool that you can really use them for sales or to bring people in, different things that you can use them for, which is great that it's already kind of templated out for you. So up my game emails, these are really cool. So this is a great welcome email. So if you're wanting to really bring people in and say, hey, welcome, thank you for subscribing. Here's a little about me. Here's visit my blog, maybe my YouTube channel. Here's Instagram, all of that. Then we have share news. So this is if you have something upcoming, maybe you have an event coming up, or maybe you are featured somewhere and you want to share that news with them. Here are some awesome ways that you can do that. So we can do view details, and here's a template. Then let's see, we have welcome. These are all of the welcome emails. Make money. These are going to be sale emails, which are really, really cool that they have everything all like, look how professional that looks. That looks like something that you would click on from like a retail store. Then you have say thanks, which is great gratitude ones. Inspire, plain text. So this is just text boxes, or you can start from scratch as well. And let's do make money. And I really like this sale one. So we're going to do sale, and you can see here the customize, all of that. So then you can go to customize. And here you can drop in your own image. And then if you want to link that image as well, you'd put the URL, or you can attach a file for them to download there. You can play around with this text and make it however you need to, or you can add new text boxes or images or logos, or do different things that you need to do. Do a shop now button, and you can have the link there for the shop now, and you can change the type of box it is, put a review, all those different things. You can have your socials here, all of that. So that is a great template that you can use, and then you can see it on desktop. This is what they would look like if they opened there on desktop, and then this is the phone as well on mobile, which is awesome that you can just see right here. You're going to see these two little buttons throughout Flodesk a lot. Don't forget, if you don't have Flodesk and you're just checking out these types of videos to see if Flodesk is going to be something that you would like to use, I do have 50% off for you lifetime. So it's an amazing deal that lifetime 50% off every single month. You can enroll in Flodesk, or if you want to do the yearly like I do, but I'll have a link for you for 50% off of Flodesk. Let's keep the conversation going. If you want to know some more Flodesk tutorials, step-by-step guide, check out this video here. And if you want to know how I make money from home and my full income report behind the scenes, you can get super nosy and check out this video here.